19 inches.
Come on here, this is really...
Keep going, you look good.
Hey!
It's on now, baby. It's on.
No, you packed it too tight. You gotta do it like this. Bam!
That's fixed it.
All right.
Whoa, that's cold.
You can't even run.
Hit the camera with it.
Man, I kind of think I know
Hit it right at the camera.
I go like baseball. Let me get excited. Ready? See my leg. Oh my God. I can't believe this is the front yard. It's actually the front yard. Oh my gosh.
Look at that snow just over there. You don't even need. Now you see why we got the things on the fire hydrants so we can see them.
Yeah. See how all seriously, come over this way. Seriously, I can't believe it.
Wow, that's a pretty picture there with all that blowing in.
You gonna walk over and check that out?
Oh, I'm just talking about the sky. Oh, we can walk over you
Well,
one
this
more.
way you can tell with a blur, it's still the buzzers.
It's the front of the apartment, kid. But they ain't gonna be able to see this.
They can't see it.
I doubt it. If you can get on the sidewalk or the street, you better off walking the street.
Oh, this is really fun. This is so much fun.
I should have worn my glasses.
I told you what I say. You can go, Roger. Y'all let me take this. I don't want to go down this sidewalk. Oh my gosh. I walked 40 miles to school when I was a little kid. Oh my gosh.
It's better. You're over it.
Oh my gosh. Woo! Believe this. Wow.
Look at that house. Look at that house. Covering up one of the windows right there.
Pause it, I want to feel mute.
Huh?
Pause it, I'll feel mute.
Okay.
I walked through all the hard stuff. You're walking on the street. I would never hit a man in the back. I wouldn't. I wouldn't. I won't hit you. You can threaten me. You know I'm not left-handed.
That's equally as backup.
All right. Yeah? This is so cool. We're crazy. We're the only people outside. Do you think they're talking about Texas now?
We can go to the store now.
Oh, I'd love to go to the store. Oh my God, look at our driveway.
Yeah, look at the back side.
Oh my stars, look at that.
The car's never going to get out. Look in there.
Let's go back here. Okay, here you go better than me. But smile at me real pretty. Say cheese.
I got that
Close your eyes. And I close your eyes. I have a big surprise. Close your eyes. I got a big surprise. Look, make a snow angel. You said you would do it for the grandkids. Now, come on. Grandpa, you said you would.
Before I go in, I will.
Okay, Grandpa, get your camera back.
Before I go in, we will.
My handsome Grandpa. And see, you want to lay around on the couch all day. I don't know what you Don't you have fun?
You can see what my truck is. how much snow it's going to take to get my, I have to shovel that much up to get my truck out.
Oh, no, I'll do it for you, honey.
Yeah.
I'll shovel it for you.
And this is under a parking thing. Look at all the snow some of us got under there. Oh, this is even under the park. Snow's just coming in. But this is how much I got to get behind my truck to get out.
I'm not sure we're going to get to the backyard.
No, we won't. Yeah, because that truck was there.
Okay.
They pushed the snow. You can see the cars here. Some of them got out, some of them dug out.
If I had
This
an
is
inner
our
tube,
backyard.
if I had an inner tube, we'd do that.
Wow, look at that.
Wow.
There she goes. Now, you know we live on the top, so there's no way she's going to get to our apartment this way. Here we go. It's just getting worse back there. It's just getting worse back there.
You're bright idea.
Now I'm going to show y'all, I'm going to film our patio from the back. And I know she's fixing to hit me with something. I just know that.
I want you to film me with the grandkids.
Yeah. And you can make it back here with I told you she was. There's our balcony. It's not